Hey everyone, today I'm going to showcase the benefit of having a split ring design in our air wipe and our super air wipe. This is a 4-inch super air wipe that we're going to use on this mock-up piece of extrusion. Even though this isn't round, an air wipe is still ideal to blow any kind of moisture or cool it down coming out of a production line. I already have some hard piping ran up on the back side here, and I've got a union on the inlet to the air wipe ready to go. Rather than having to thread our product through the air wipe, all I'm going to do is loosen 4 bolts with a 5/32 Allen wrench and clamp it right around the extrusion as it's in place. So you undo that simple latch, and now I've got a nice, easy piece that I can hold in place, get it hooked up to my piping, and then retighten my connecting plates. And then snug my union down to hold it firmly in place. It's as easy as that. Less than a minute to install a super air wipe on an extrusion line. If you have any questions or you'd like to discuss what size air wipe may be right for your application, feel free to give us a call. Thanks and have a great day.